And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Alright folks, it's me again. What am I doing? I'm just taking shit apart. Got me an air conditioning motor. Just taking screws out of it. Sometimes it's fun just to screw around. But yeah, like this, there's little brass screws in here. I mean, there's also a screw in here, I think, that's holding this together. I don't know. Anyway, let's see if I can get this motor apart. I got a crescent wrench here. Let's see if this motor comes apart. Well, I mean, I like taking shit apart. It's fun. Gives something to do. I mean, most people just take stuff, throw in the garbage, and never ever wonder what's in it. In something. Me? I just take shit apart. Come on. This thing's spinning. There we go. Looks like they stripped it at the factory. It's always fun. See something that's stripped at the factory. Like, yeah, they did a really good job in China on this one. Okay. Good job in China on that one. Yeah, let's click this now. There we go. I'll crack the lid on this one here. Now, will it come open? Will it come apart? I don't know. No idea what's holding this thing together. Not a clue. I should probably stop. Probably move the damn drill out of the way, but yeah. Seems to be something holding this together. Let's see if I bang it on the counter. Looks like we hit the lottery. Oh look, see? Nice little motor here. Little bearing. And this side. That's neat. Little cup, little bearing. Looks like there's a little clip holding the bearing in. I don't know what else is holding it in, but that's pretty cool. Look how smooth that is. That's really wild. I don't know if this is being held in there, but there's a little clip in there that's holding it together. I don't know. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Almost. I don't know. Anyway, that's pretty cool, and this motor is wound tighter than a frog's ass. So here's the inside of a motor. Lots of copper in there. There is no way in hell I'm going to get that out of there. I think it's got little indents in there, keeping it in there. So I'm just going to probably, I don't know what the hell I'm going to do really. Probably just chuck it. But it's fun looking inside. I will see off camera if I take these little bearings off. It's pretty cool. It's like, got this little spinny thing here. Anyway, enjoy. Hello YouTube. I was taking apart this, what do you call it, motor piece here, and got these two bearings off it. So the only thing I can think to do with these is maybe I can make a fidget spinner out of it. And this, I don't know. I don't even know what the hell this is, but it's on a big giant rod, and it apparently is all like welded together of some kind, but I don't know. It's a little like inside of a motor. I mean, I have nothing to do with this. I'll throw it in the scrap pile, but look at that, folks. Two little bearings. Scrapped they spin pretty good. I took them off. And you know what I'm going to make with these? I'm going to make a fidget spinner. Not really, but you know, it's two bearings. It was fun to take apart. I got to use my half-ton, what do you call it, arbor press, and the rest is going to garbage. So, thank you.